Why, you glorious bastards. Someone today told me that I can disable this CHIRP annoying thing myself. I'm friggin' excited. We're doing this. Okay, so yeah, like, comment, subscribe, all that stuff. If you're not new to the channel, if you are new to the channel, welcome. If you're not new to the channel, you'll know that it's not a shtick, it's not a thing. This 2019 CVO we're gonna look at in a second does that. When you turn the ignition on, it chirps, and when you turn it off, it goes chirp, chirp. I hate that. I hate it. It's irritating. When you're at a campground and you come back late at night, the bike just does one last little annoyance to you and everyone around you. I don't like it. Anyway, I had said, you know, I hate this thing, and it's not a shtick, it's not a joke, it's not a whatever for these videos. I would pull up to the Harley shop, the biker bar, whatever, and every time that thing chirps, I scream, shut up, because it just drives me nuts. And then someone said, you know, you can take it to the dealer and disable that. And I'm like, yeah, but me and my dealer are not friends right now. I mean, we're talking, and we might make up, but we ain't making out anytime soon, I'll tell you right now, because of my 21 Ultra Limited. Alligator Alley Harley in Sunrise, Florida. Has always been a good dealer, but I am not pleased with the clutch cable situation, and I feel like a little more could be done, but I'm gonna leave it at that. So I'm not gonna go to the dealer to do that. And then someone said today, you know, you can do it yourself, and I'm like, wait a minute. I've owned this bike for 2 years, and I've yelled at it every time it chirps, and now you can do it yourself. So, and now I find out you can do it yourself. So I looked, and I'll be, God damn, you can do it yourself. So we're gonna do it. I've already done it and turned it back on, so I know it works. I don't need these right now. So let's do this. So in short, it's just idiot proof, even for me. There's a little red light that you'll see in a second when I do this. Okay, it's flashing right now. That's the security light. Essentially what you're doing is turning the bike off and on fast, essentially. So what we're gonna do, and you'll see in a second, is I'm gonna turn it on, and this light's gonna light up and stay on. The second that light goes off, I'm gonna turn the ignition switch off. All right? And then I'm gonna wait a second, and then I'm gonna turn the bike on. The second again, the light's gonna come on. The second again that it goes off, I'm gonna turn the bike off. Then I'm gonna do it again. Turn the bike on. As soon as the light goes off, I turn the bike off. So here, we'll actually do this. I'm gonna keep the camera on the light so you can kind of see, but there's my hand. So, all right, so on, chirp. As soon as the red light goes off. Okay, it's off now, turn the bike off. All right, now light's on. Light goes off, turn the bike on. Wait for the red light to go off. Off. I'm just gonna keep doing it until... See? Didn't do it. It didn't chirp. So, I've now turned the chirp off. Shut up, radio. So, when I turn the bike off, no chirp. So yeah, that red light is the center of the universe for this whole thing. So if you have the security system on your bike, evidently, lots of bikes overseas, this is not, okay, so all CVOs have the alarm and the siren, but you may have added it to yours, so this works for that. But also overseas, so all the viewers out there in Australia and the UK and Germany and whatnot, Canada, a lot of international models have the alarm and siren. I guess it still bikes a lot, I don't know. So this works on all the bikes. So essentially that red security light is the whole thing. Again, you're gonna turn on the bike on, that's gonna light up as soon as the light turns off. I mean, before it chirps, you turn the bike off. Then the light lights up again, you wait for the light to go off, click it again. So you're trying to, the second that light goes off is when you wanna, you know, turn that switch off. I can't test it on a model that has the bigger ignition, because you know in the CVO it's just this guy that's the on off. but I believe you would do it with this. So maybe leave the kill switch on, and then on, you know, on a regular bike, you just do that same kind of thing. So let me know if it works for you. Maybe this only affects 5% of people. Maybe you like the CHIRP. Maybe you like to go to a biker bar and park your bike and then go, listen to the CHIRP, I have a CVO, like that. Maybe that's your thing. Not mine. So there you go. Since yesterday, you may have seen the video where we did the lights. So I have these custom dynamics lights, you know, there and there. And I took off my mean mug. Mine. Okay, yes, this was my bike. It's not my wife's. And said to her this morning, do you want that thing on there? And she said no, that she likes it better without. So I was on the fence anyway, so of course it's going to stay off. But what that means is I have applied new 3M tape. Yeah, I'm the kind of guy that has 3M emblem tape laying around. So I've applied new 3M emblem tape to it, and we're going to give this away tonight during the live stream. So today is Friday, April the 9th at 8 p.m. Eastern. Me and Mrs. Monkey will go live to have drinks and laugh and jokes and whatnot. Be there or be square. And we always do some giveaway stuff while we're doing it, just for fun. So I'm going to give away this mean mug, which is hilarious because they've changed. This is the original, what was the name of this company? And I put the tape right over the name of it. I don't know. It was the one that was expensive. I paid like $100 for this thing when they first became popular. Now they're a lot less. Anyway, going to give that away. And another giveaway for Road Glide owners, I'm going to give away the gloss black bezels for the headlights. So the ones that would have been there. And the reason I'm giving these away is on standard Road Glides, I think even Ultras, let me know. But I know that standard Road Glides, these are flat black. They're not painted gloss, vivid black, you know, paint. And they're in perfect condition. I cleaned them up. They look brand new. So we're going to give away these to one lucky winner. And then I'll mail this stuff out, of course, postage paid and all that stuff. And then we'll have some more probably inflatable farm animals because y'all are sick and twisted out there. Anyway, so again, 8 o'clock tonight, Friday, April the 9th. Be there, be square. Looking forward to seeing all of you and having a drink or maybe 17, something like that. See y'all more later. Take care of each other out there. Bye.